the family compound, gardening in Alicia Land. My name is Alicia Ann, and we are going to take apart this bench. I already started taking. Let's just look there. I already started taking apart the bench a little earlier, and we got some of these boards taken off, and we're going to continue with the rest. So here we go. I had tried my IKEA screw gun, but there wasn't enough. It's an IKEA electric screw gun, but it wasn't enough power to unscrew these nails. That's why I got my handy dandy hammer. Well, if I can get it. Okay. Now what do? I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just trying to take this apart so I can try to be useful and make flower beds around my archway with it. So, let me show you. I don't know if you can see. I'm sorry. Let me show you what I got going on. Maybe. So, yeah. Ooh, I can't see that. Okay. So, let's just turn you back. Okay. So anyway, can't really see with the sun going on, but that's what we have going on so far. So, now which way do I go? How many times am I gonna mess up today? Okay, let's do this. Or not. Okay. Whoever said you could walk around with this string for your mic was a liar. And yeah, you can, but it's a pain in the boot. Okay, let's get out of here. Let's see. Maybe. I don't know. Yeah, I'm trying. Not to. Anyway, we're just gonna pause this for a moment. Okay, so finally loosened up that board. That was a pain in the ankle. Now let's see. Now you may ask why this is so important for me to take down and reuse this wood. Not only is it cheap, it's free wood, but my papa made this before he passed away, so that's why. And again, I have no idea what I'm doing. I just know I have a mission, and this Chicky Babe is going to get it completed somehow without tearing it up. That's the mission. Take it apart without tearing it up. And I don't know if we're going to be very successful on that.